Yes! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or you are not yet subscribed, please remember to go and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my combined channel Yuvianca, my sister's channel Angelica, and follow all my social media links. And in today's video I am doing once again the rainbow makeup series, and it's green today. So I did something fun, very fun and dramatic, I would say. I did have a little mishap with my lashes today and it's very frustrating, but you know what, I got through it. And what is wrong with this hair? So if you want to see how this look is created, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, I did my foundation, I did my eyebrows, I did my highlights, as you guys can see. Now it's time for the eyes, and I have green, once again using my trusty old Beauty Treats palettes. So I have the Modern Matte palette, it's got green in here. I have the Hearts Love palette, which also got green, and I think that's the, and then I'm gonna use the China palette, of course, because now I can use the China palette because the colors is actually in here that I can use. So what I'm thinking is, once again, nice blown out green, donkergroen, dark green in the crease area. Then I'm gonna cut the crease, cut crease, and I'm gonna add this light green in it, this light green shade. I'm gonna add in the cut crease, and I think I'm gonna use this shade like on my eyelid. I'm gonna cut it, put in the light green, add the dark green under the waterline, and then I'm gonna pop on some falsies and, you know, the original stuff. Let's go. Where's my crown brush? Guys, I totally forgot. I wore yellow, the yellow eye look, this like the previous Saturday for one of Angelica's events, and look at my brush, I forgot to wash my brush. So, but don't worry, I have other brushes, just need to freaking find them. Obviously I'm gonna use my Color Eco Tools bamboo brush. Just need to get a nice blending brush. This is the blending brush from Color 311. I use this one. You know what, I'm just gonna do my makeup and then I'll tell you what brushes I'm going to use. Okay, so firstly, this shade in the Hearts Love palette, it is like green, but it's more like bluish. So I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna use this, but this green, I'm gonna use that green, and this green. Too much palettes for me. That green, I'm gonna mix them and add them in the crease area. So I'm mixing that. This is really a freaking ugly color. First going to tap it on so that the pigment stays there, and then I'll blend it out. Really, this does not look bad. I think I'm going to add it like that, but then I'm going to add more of this green from the Hearts Love palette on it. So I'm just going to blend that out. Once again, just making circular motions. Gonna blend out by itself. See that it's already blending out nice and evenly, and I only made little circular motions. I'm gonna start blending now with, this is the Color Crease Blender, not Color, Eco Tools 415 Crease Blender, and I'm just very lightly going over that harsh line there so it can blend out. Okay, so it's starting to blend out, so I'm basically just going to add more of that green shade from the Hearts Love palette, the darker green shade. This color, actually, I don't know why, and I've never seen the movie, but this color actually reminds me of The Shape of Water. I don't know why. Did you guys, now that we're doing this weird blue-green shade, did you guys see the new trailer of the Little Mermaid movie? Now I'm very excited. I love Disney films. Little Mermaid is actually my favorite Disney movie, and Aurora. But I'm a little bit mad and I'm going to freaking write a letter because I saw the trailer and I was very excited because I told Angelica they have to make a movie. They can't make Disney movies of all the most of the Disney films and then they can't make one for The Little Mermaid because The Little Mermaid is like original Disney, like OG. I watched it. Ursula is a man. Ursula is not a man. Ursula is an octopus woman. So I was very mad about that. And The Little Mermaid's name is not Ariel. Guess the name? I'll give you a few seconds. Are you done? The name is Elizabeth. Freaking Elizabeth. You can't recreate The Little Mermaid and not call the mermaid Ariel. There's not a Flounder, there's not a Sebastian, there's not a King Triton. So I am very, very upset, and I'm sure the prince's name is not even Eric. It's something else. So I'm very upset. Leave a comment down below if you are upset as well after seeing that movie. I just feel like you can't call it The Little Mermaid and then you change the name, you change freaking Ursula to a man. I'm just very upset. It upsets me. And that's the one movie I really want to go watch is The Little Mermaid. And now I'm not gonna support it because they freaking are changing everything. Okay, so it's blended out now. I'm just quickly gonna do the other eye off camera because this took 10 minutes. And there is quite a bit of fallout. So when you do this look, just watch out for the fallout, please. We don't want to mess up the flawless foundation that we have on our face. So I'm quickly gonna do this off camera and I'll be with you in a second. Okay, both eyes are done. Just quickly, now it's time to cut that crease. So I added the MAC Select Cover Up Concealer. I'm gonna use this. I just added some on the back of my hand and very carefully I'm gonna cut my crease and then I'm gonna add the shadow on top of it. Just fixing that line that looks freaking ugly with my paintbrush. Okay, now I'm just going to add the eyeshadow. Come on with this brush. This is the Koala eyeshadow brush 313. I'm gonna add that on there. I'm just gonna tap it on. This is very underpigment, not what I expected. Okay, that's done. Now I'm gonna add the dark green shade under my eyes, under my waterline. I'm gonna add that under my waterline and then I'm just gonna smoke it out and then we'll apply some lashes. Under eyes are done. Now I am going to have to do something with this glitter. I want to do something. I think I'm gonna just like make a little line that crease pot. Obviously it's gonna be green, so let me just grab my little brushy. That is not working. I'm going to add some of the green on my eyelid, like where you would normally make a cat eye. Just a little bit on the inner corners of my eyes. So yeah, just like that, just a little line. Just a little pop of glitter. Then I am going to add some white eyeliner to just give my eyes a doll-like effect and to make them a lot bigger. And I'm just quickly gonna pop on some mascara using the Last Princess from Essence. Now I'm just quickly gonna apply some lashes. Okay, there's the lashes from the Eyelash Boutique. I actually already used those, so I'm gonna apply them again. Quickly gonna do that off camera, but you know what, I'll be with you in a second. I'm back like after freaking half an hour. I hate this Eyelash Boutique lashes. Don't buy this does not work. I just applied the Allure number 117 texture lashes that I use in every single video, because it's the only freaking lashes I can trust. So don't buy the Eyelash Boutique lashes. I'm somehow now frustrated. Now I am going to apply a inner corner highlight and a brow highlight. The inner corner highlight is in Light from the Jaclyn Hill palette that she collaborated with Morphe. So I am just going to apply in Light on my inner corner, and I'm also going to use that as a brow bone highlight. Find my brain. Where is my brain? So I'm using the Morphe N168 brush, and in Light I am just going to up here in my inner corner. This is this highlight. Well, it's an eyeshadow, but this is truly amazing. Then I'm just popping that on my brow bone as well. Using that as a brow bone highlighter. It's a little bit white. It's so white. Must say I'm not in love with this look, but you know what? It's done now, so nothing I can do now. And then I'm just quickly going to add a lippy. I'm using the same lippy. It's the LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss that I use in the series. So I'm just quickly going to add that, and then be with you in the outro. Okay guys, that's it for this week's makeup video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was very fun for me to do this for you guys, except for the whole lashes mishap. That really frustrated me, but you know what, we got through it and it looks very pretty. Please remember to go follow me on Instagram, add me on Snapchat, go and follow me on Twitter as well, please, and subscribe to my channel. Be a part of the Sheryl community. It's a wild ride, but it's very, very fun. Please go and follow, or not follow, please go and subscribe to my combined channel Yuvianca, my sister's channel Angelica, and I will see you guys back again in my next video. Go and check out my Tea Time Tuesday videos as well. That will obviously be up on Tuesday. It's going to be something very fun. I'm not going to tell you what it is. That means you only have to go and watch it, please. I love you guys so much. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you back again in my next video. Bye.